Our tools can be found in every field of human progress. In the automotive industry, mechanical engineering, aviation and aerospace, and in medical technology. We are Horn. Let's start at the beginning, with the origin of every tool as a simple powder, finer than dust. At Horn, we make our own carbide materials, and they are among the best on the market. We use every type of shaping process to produce our blanks. Axial pressing, injection molding, extrusion, and isostatic pressing. We take care of every step in the value chain, from the powder to the coating. Everything under one roof. We are a highly innovative company with over 25,000 different tools in our product range and over 150,000 special solutions. We work together with our customers in a spirit of partnership to create tailor-made tools. We employ over 1,500 people around the world, and we never stand still. We are always learning thanks to our Horn Academy, and we are always researching to find better technologies, processes, and coatings. We even developed our own grinding machines. Why? Because only the best is good enough when it comes to manufacturing our products, and we trust our own experience. Paul Horn laid the foundation for our current success back in 1969. Since then, we have grown faster than we could build. Today, our company is run by the third generation of the founding family, and our production facilities cover over 30,000 square meters. No tool leaves the company unchecked. Our products are manufactured for worldwide use and are subject to the very highest standards of perfection and precision. Our mission is to create solutions for our customers. Solutions characterized by reliability. Horn, the tool.